Hello class. Let me continue with array programs. So in last video we have created this program, right? Where we have created an array of 5 elements, store value and print it. Now you may find that though we have created an array, it is not like meaningful, right? Instead of variables, we are accessing array elements individually with use of index position. And you may find it more complex. Let me continue with this code. Next program. So I'm just copying it. And I have created already one blank file. I'm pasting it. Okay. And let me comment it. So I'm just commenting the file in program 1. Okay. Now let me continue with program 2. The same thing is there, same code is there, and we are continuing. So in this case, array is not providing any good advantage, right? Because rather we think that it is more complex, because here array name is there, index position we have to mention. Instead it was good like we were using m1 equals to m2 equals to, right? But let us simplify it. Here we are storing a value and these are fixed values, right? Instead, suppose I want to read the value from the user, then how I am going to write it? So here fixed values are there, right? 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. Instead, suppose we want to read the value from the user, then how we can read it? So we'll write cout, enter marks of 5 students, right? And we will read it. Okay, so I'm writing cin and then m of 0. Cin m of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so I have read marks of 5 students and then I'm printing it. Okay, I'm deleting this a constant value which we have assigned. Instead, now we are using like from keyboard we are reading the values, storing it and printing it. Okay, so what we have done, we have created a space in memory to store 5 array elements, reading the value from the user and storing at that space what we have created, and then we are printing. Let me run this code. Okay, and enter marks of 5 students. So I'm entering like 10. Whatever you want to enter, you can. We are going to enter marks of 5 students. I'm just randomly entering. Okay, so I have entered marks of 5 students, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So 10 is going to store at m of 0 position. 20 is going to store at m of 2 position and so on, right? And we have printed. How can we find it? Like at what position, what is stored? So we can print it. It is very simple. Okay. So I can write here that cout /n and I'm just printing that which position this value is. So I am writing like m of 0th position the value is, right? And randomly I am writing like the value what we are printing at m of 3, that is at m of 3 position. Okay, so I am writing m of 3 position. Good. And I am printing it. So it is going to be stored accordingly, according index position, and we are printing it. Now let me run our code once again. Here we are going to store a value, print it, but what we have done, we have print index position too. Like I am just entering random values. Okay, I have entered 5 values, 11, 23, 45, 67 and 43. Now we want to verify at which position what is stored. So we have to print m of 0th position, what is printing? 11. And at m of 3 position, 67 is there. Means 23 is stored at m of 1 position and 45 is stored at m of 2 position. Good. So while we are storing a value, it is going to store in according index position. Okay, now still in this program, we have to write multiple time name of array and index position. So we might think that it is not advisable to use array still instead of individual variables, right? Let's see how it can be useful in upcoming video. Thank you for watching.